Alright guys, this is Tosh. We're heading to Tosh and this is the squad set. Rishabh and
Yo man,
Mr. Watts.
what is up?
Master was just entering the car. What are you expecting out of Tosh, man?
Good stuff.
This is the goat of devil.
हाँ,
That's interesting.
तुमने कभी वो पेंटाग्राम नहीं देखा जिसके अंदर क्या कहते हैं
The star symbol.
वो सेटन का जो लॉयलिस्ट पेट था वो एक गोट था.
Alright, we are around 7.5 kilometers away. थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है because greenery है. What do you guys think? Temperature कितना होना चाहिए?
Sosan temperature should be around 5 or 6. Right now it should be 11. But night it's gonna be cozy at around 0 or -1.
So, someone who has come from Delhi, we need this man. We need this badly.
Ah, exactly.
Do you see that over there? That's good. What's up guys? We are at Tosh around 2400 altitude and थोड़ा सा cold है, ज़्यादा नहीं. And let's get this trek done. First we gotta put on the mask and there is an extra edition shoes, but it's not a wise idea to trek on slippers or flip-flops. So as most of you already know, Tosh is very isolated and it doesn't have any roads connecting. The only way to reach here is to walk. ज़्यादा मुश्किल भी नहीं है trek. It's doable. Takes 20-25 minutes. But the catch is it's on a very steep inclination. So it's kind of difficult for some it's not. But again it's a Natty Senpai. ये मत बोलो कि मैं एक fitness vlogger भी हूँ. You would hardly see any obese individual over here. Simple बात है. If you're obese, you can't do this shit. You can, but it'll be difficult. So you gotta cut that crap and get off your couch, man. So we are done with the trek. हो गई खत्म. थोड़ा सा exhausting था. And guess what? My brother, who has his right ligament torn, he managed to do it. So, and आप सोच रहे होगे it's because of the genetics and stuff. No, why he did it is because he watches your Natty Senpai every fucking day. So watch my channel, be strong and complete the Tosh trek. So let me show you the best hotel in Tosh. This is how it is. This is the best one that you can get. And मैं actually बताऊँ, देखो यार कितना commercialized हो गया है. Tosh and Kasol are commercialized. It's so commercialized that they have intercoms and stuff. Next what? Fucking movie theaters or what? No refrigeration, no problem. Perks of 2300 meter altitude. सही है ना?
चिकन पुदीन भी मिल जाता है.
ये sausage पे बना है. Alright, food is here. Chicken falafel. Best part is look at the hummus, man. Tons of hummus. और जो भी चिल्लर बंदे आते हैं extra hummus दे दो उनके लिए they won't get a chance. There is the lemonana from freshly extracted mints.
Isn't it sometimes tough for you to not eat the food and vlog before it?
यार मेरे लिए टफ नहीं, बाकी लोग लिए टफ है because वो वेट करते हैं ना जब खत्म हो जाएगा तब तक.
Yeah, man. Your appetite is getting to destruction.
So anyways, time lapse in 3, 2, 1. It was epic. The best part was it was filled with hummus. Estimation तो क्या दी?
सही बात है.
हाँ मैं entirely travel vlogger नहीं हूँ, Natty Senpai भी हूँ. आराम से बोल सकता हूँ कि 600 on the lower end and 700 on the higher end. So this is where all the magic happens. Getting so much stuff at this altitude is very different. So kudos to these guys. Amazing food. Thank you so much again. And I'll see you tomorrow, man. Cheers. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's 8 a.m. right now. 8:30 ho gaya. Plan was to wake up around 7, but late today. Anyways, what's happening? I'm doing the trek to Kutla again for the second time. Or this time, मैं ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाऊँगा. I'm just going to go as far as I can. Plan is to get a little bit of cardio in and explore this beautiful place. Oh wait, I forgot something. Oh, you must be asking. Arey senpai, you put in so much effort. Is vlogging difficult? It's kind of, but not really difficult. At times you just gotta put in the work. And as usual, we make friends. There's no point of traveling when you don't get to know the localites, right? What? Alright. पता है क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? He's asking you guys to subscribe to Natty Senpai. है ना? So the trek is supposed to be around 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers not that difficult, but it's or a steep inclination. तो इसलिए शायद थोड़ा time लग सकता है. Secondly, I'm not going to do the entire trek. I'm going to leave right now and I'm going to leave you with some sick shots of this lovely paradise. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for coming so far. Share if you think it's worth sharing. Comment. Cheers, guys. Take care. थोड़ा सा और ड्रामेटाइज कर ताकि पीपल बाइट और या मैन थोड़ा सा और या